Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the last video, we were unable to complete two sums due to technical issues. So we'll complete the sums now. So last two problem was like this. That was question number, I think 9. That was question number 9. We are unable to solve. The problem was, problem was given like this. Integration of log cosec x log cosec x minus cot x. That was cosec x minus cot x dx. That was a question, I think, that was given in first part. Okay, so there are two questions. That was a 9 number question, and question number 10 was integration of like this sine 2x, and that was sine, I think, 3x into 5x like this dx. Okay, so these two problems we were unable to solve due to some technical issues. Now here we will solve that one. So question number 9, what is question number 9 here? Given in question number 9, it is given cosec x into log cosec x minus cot x. Now how to solve this type of problem? So first you can see here log of this one, so use the substitution here. Okay, so here I am using the substitution, that means log cosec x minus cot x, that one I am taking that as z. Okay, so I am letting this one log cosec x minus cot x as z. Now do the differentiation. If I do the differentiation here, it will be 1 by cosec x minus cot x into, now derivative of this one cosec x, the derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x, that one. Okay, and cot x, the derivative of cot x will be minus cosec square x, so that will be minus cosec square x dx equals to dz. So from here you can see, so that will be minus, now differentiation of cot x will be minus cosec square x. Now since there is a minus also, so that will become plus. Now from that, from this two, you can see cosec x, you can take cosec x from here. So if I take cosec x from here, what will happen? It will become cosec x minus cot x like this, and the denominator here, now what is the denominator here? The denominator is here cosec x minus cot x dx equals to dz. Now cancel this one, so that will become cosec x dx equals to dz like this. Now from here we can see we can get dx from here. So what will be dx? Dx will be dz by cosec x. Done. Now put the values here. Now put the values here. If I put the value, what will happen? It will become integration of cosec x into log of this one, I am taking that z, and that is dz. Now dx is what? dz by cosec x. This is dz by cosec x. Now cosec x and cosec x cancel out, that means that will become z only. Now integration of z will become z square by 2 plus c. Now what is z here? You can see the z is here log cosec x minus cot x. So that means it is log cosec x minus cot x whole square by 2, okay, plus c like this. Now that will be the answer here. So this is question number 9. Now we'll do question number 10. Now how to solve question number 10? So here you can see integration, it is given sine 2x divided by 3x, sine 3x and sine 5x. Now look at here. So there is a pattern. If I see properly here, there is a 3x and there is a 5x. So look at the pattern here. You can see 2x can be written as 5x minus 3x. So 2 can be written as 5 minus 3. So here you can see 2x can be written as 5x minus 3x. So this is how we'll write here. Okay, so that will become like this. The numerator will become sine 2x is there, so 2x can be written as 5x minus 3x. And look at the denominator. Look at the denominator is here. The denominator is here. It is given sine 3x into sine 5x. So that is given sine 3x into sine 5x dx. Now look at this, the numerator. So it is a formula, sine a minus b. What is the formula? The formula is sine a cos b minus cos a sine b, like this. And look at the denominator here. Now what is the denominator here? The denominator is here sine 3x into sine 5x and dx. Now if you separate this one, what will happen? Sine 5x into cos 3x divided by this one. Okay, now separate this one by this one, what will become? It sine 5x and sine 5x will be cancelled out. That means cos 3x and sine 3x will be remaining. So cos 3x and sine 3x will be cot 3x minus again this one, second one by the denominator. If you do like this, you can see here sine 3x and sine 3x will be cancelled out. What will be remaining? Cos 5x by sine 5x, that is cot 5x dx. Now integration of cot x. What is the integration of cot x? The integration is log sine x. That means log mod sine 3x by 3 minus here log 5x log mod sine 5x divided by 5 plus c. So that will be the integration of this one. Okay, so here we have to see the pattern. Whenever there is a pattern, use the pattern properly. So here you can see 2x can be written as 5x minus 3x. So this is the pattern. I have just used the pattern and done this. Okay, so we'll do the next sums. Now it is question number 11. Okay, so now we'll move to the next questions. So that will be question number 11. Now what is question number 11? So question number 11 is like this. Integration of tan cube x dx. Now this one. So what is integration of tan cube x dx? Now how to do this one? Integration of tan cube x. So for solving that, tan cube x can be written as tan x into tan square x dx. Now this one, now from here you can see tan square x, this tan square x, we know tan square x can be written as sec square x minus 1 dx. Now multiply this one, that means that will become tan x into sec square x dx and minus integration of tan x dx, like this. Okay, so if I multiply this one, that will become tan x into sec square x and minus integration of tan x. Now there are two parts, so I am taking this as equation 1. Now there are two parts. So first one you can see tan x into sec square x. So first one it is tan x into sec square x dx. Now how to solve this one? Let tan x equals to z. So I am letting tan x equals to z. Now if I differentiate this one, it will become sec square x dx equals to dz. So that means this part sec square x dx, that is becoming dz. So it will be integration of z dz. Now what is integration z dz? That is z square by 2 plus c. That means tan square x by 2 plus c. So that will be my answer. Okay, so that means it is tan square x by 2. Done. So this is the way to do this one. This is question number 11. Now we'll move to question number 12. Now question number 12 is like this. Next one. So it is question number 12. So it is given like that. Integration of sin x plus cos x divided by 1 plus it is given sin 2x. Yes, sin 2x, it is given like this. So sin x plus cos x divided by 1 plus sin 2x. Now how to solve this one? Okay, now for here you can see, now for here first of all it is written sin x plus cos x divided by 1. 1 can be written as sin square x plus cos square x or cos square plus sin square, anything. Okay, so I am writing like this, sin square plus cos square. Now sin 2x, now what will be sin 2x? We know sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x, like this, dx. Now look at the denominator here. So what is the denominator? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Look at the denominator. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. And the numerator is sin x plus cos x. So that is sin x plus cos x whole square dx. Now if you do that, 1 will be cancelled out. So that will become like this. Integration of dx by sin x plus cos x. Okay, like this. Now how to solve this one? Okay, how to solve this type of integration? Now whenever there are two ways to solve this one. So first way is that suppose there is look at the coefficients here, 1 and here is also 1. So 1 and 1 we can write root over of 1 square plus 1 square. So whatever be the coefficient here, there the coefficient is 1, so root over of 1 square plus here the coefficient also 1, that means this is 1 square, so that is root 2. So that is root 2. So here you can do like this, write root 2 here and divide root 2 here. Okay, so here I am taking root 2 and divided by root 2, so that will look like this. Then now this root 2 will came out, that means this is 1 by root 2 integration of dx by, now look at here, sin x and 1 by root 2. Now what is the value of 1 by root 2? We know sin 45 or cos 45, that is 1 by root 2. So here suppose I am writing cos pi by 4. Then now here you can see cos x, again here 1 by root 2. So here we can write suppose sin pi by 4 like this. Then so here you can see this is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b form. So this is sin a plus b. So here you can write 1 by root 2 integration of dx by sin of a plus b. Okay, so this is sin a plus b form. Now here you can see 1 by root 2, 1 by sin. Now what is 1 by sin? 1 by sin is cosec x. Okay, that means cosec x plus pi by 4 dx. So this is cosec x. Now what is the integration of cosec x? The integration of cosec x is log mod cosec x minus cot x plus c. So that will be the answer. Okay, we can do like this, plus c. So this is the way we can solve this one. So first the denominator is here 1 plus sin 2x. So we know it is sin square x plus cos square x, and sin 2x is 2 sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x. Now use the formula, you'll get the result. Okay, so like this. So this is question number 12. Now next we will move to question number 13. Now question number 13, what is given? The question is like this: integration of 2y square, this is easy one, 2y square by y square plus 4 dy. So it is given 2y square by y square plus 4. Now how to solve this one? 2y square by y square plus 4. Now first of all you can see there is a constant, so will go there, that will become y square by y square plus 4 dy, like this. Now look at this, the power, here the power is 2, here the power is also 2. Now if the powers are same, that means we have to make the numerator as denominator. Okay, we have to make numerator as like denominator. That means y square, so look at the denominator as y square plus 4. So we are adding plus 4 and subtracted minus 4. Okay, and here it is y square plus 4. So whenever the power is same, both numerator and denominator, when the power is same, we have to make the numerator as a form of denominator, like this. Okay, now separate this one. Now if I separate this one, that will become like this: 2 integration of this one y square plus 4 by y square plus 4, that means it will become 1 minus 4 by y square plus 4. Now 4 can be written as 2 square dy, like this. Now here 2 integration of 1, what is the integration of 1? That is y minus 4 into, now look at this, this is the formula, x square plus s square formula. We know integration of dx by x square plus s square, the formula is like this: 1 by a tan inverse x by a. That means here it will be 1 by 2 tan inverse y by 2 plus c. So here it will be 2 into y minus 2 tan inverse y by 2 plus c. So that will be the answer. Okay, so whenever the power is same, that means you have to make the numerator as a form of denominator, like that. Okay, now next one, number 14. Now question number 14 is like that. So it is given integration of x to the power 4 plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 dx, like this. Okay, so it is given x square plus x to the power 4 plus 1 divided by x square plus 1. Now how to solve this one? Now how to solve? So first of all, look at the numerator. So numerator can be written as x square whole square plus 1 square, like this. And look at the denominator, it is x square plus 1 dx. Done. Now numerator, look at the numerator, this is a square plus b square. Now what is the formula? A square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. And look at the denominator, it is x square plus 1 dx. Now separate this one. Separate means first this one will be divided by x square plus 1. So it will like this, it will become x square plus 1 whole square divided by x square plus 1 minus the next one is 2x square by x square plus 1, 2x square by x square plus 1 dx. Now this one, now you can see there are x square plus 1, this is x square plus 1 whole square, one will be cancelled out, that means it will become x square plus 1 dx, and it will be integration of 2x square by x square plus 1 dx. Now look at this part. Okay, look at this part, second part. This one is similar like the previous one. Look at the previous one. The previous one look like same. 2y square by y square plus 4. Now here we are getting what? 2x square by x square plus 1. Same thing. Okay. The variable was that time y, and here the variable is x. That time it was 4. It was 1 now. Okay. So here you can see x square. What is the integration? X cube by 3. And integration of 1 is x here. Minus. Same thing. 2 will go there. Now look at the power of x here. The power of x is here 2. Here also the power of x is 2. Now since the power is same, so whenever the power is same, we have to make the numerator like denominator. That means it can be written as x square plus 1 minus 1. And the denominator is here x square plus 1 dx. Like this. Now separate this one. So it will become like this. X cube by 3 plus x minus, it will be 2 into integration of this one. Separate this one. So separate this one, it will become 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1 square dx, like this. Okay, so that will be x cube by 3 plus x minus 2. Now integration of 1 is here x minus. Now this one, x square plus a square, the formula is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. That means the answer will be x cube by 3 plus x minus 2 into x minus tan inverse of x plus c. So that will be the answer. So that will be the answer. Okay. So this is the way to solve this type of problem. Now next, we will move to the next one. Question number 15. Now what is the question number 15 here? So question number 15 is given like this. First of all, write this. So question number 15, it is given integration of x square, this is very important, x square by root over of x to the power 6 minus a to the power 6 dx. Now this one, how to solve this type of problem? Integration of x square by this one. Now for this one, first of all, it is given x square by root over of x to the power 6. Okay, so that means x cube whole square. We can write like this, and this is a cube whole square dx. Now this x cube I am letting it as z. That means it will be x cube equals to z. Okay. So this is x cube equals to z. Now differentiate this one. That will become what? 3x square dx equals to dz. That means dx will be what? Dz by 3x square. Done. Now put the values here. If I put the value here, it will become like this. Integration of x square by root over of, so x cube. The value of x cube is a z. So it will be z square minus s square. So this is z square minus s square dx. Now what is, sorry, not s square, z square minus a cube whole square, like this. And dx, now what is the value of dx here? The value of dx is a dz by 3x square. So this is dz by 3x square. X square cancel what? That means 1 by 3 integration of dz by root over of z square minus a cube whole square. Okay, so that will be again the formula, root over of x square minus a square. The formula is like this: log mod z plus root over of z square minus this one. Okay, now here you have to put the value of z. Now we know the value of z is here. The value of z is here, this one, x cube. So that means it will become like this: 1 by 3 log mod x cube minus, this is minus or plus, plus, okay, plus root over of this one, x cube whole square. That means x to the power 6 minus a to the power 6, and that will be plus c. So that will be the answer. Okay, like this you have to solve this one. By similar way, I'm giving an homework, that one you try this one. Integration of it is given x cube by root over of 1 minus x to the power 8 dx. Okay, same way you can do that one. Okay, because I'm just giving a hint here, so how to do this one. So you can see here it is x to the power 8. X to the power 8 can be written as x power 4 whole square. Now same way you can do this one. Okay, so for today, thank you. Next day again we'll solve some problems of integration like this. We will continue that one.